In 2010, the British cycling team was struggling. They hadn't won a Tour de France in over 100 years. Then a new coach, Dave Brailsford, came in with a radical idea: the power of tiny improvements. He called it the aggregation of marginal gains, focusing on getting just 1% better every day. They optimized everything from bike aerodynamics to pillow choices for better sleep. The result? Within 5 years, they dominated the sport, winning 5 Tour de France titles and multiple Olympic gold medals. Now imagine what a 1% improvement every day could do in your life. Part 1. The power of compounding improvements. The math is simple, but mind-blowing. If you improve by just 1% every day, you don't get 365% better in a year. Thanks to compounding, you become 37 times better than when you started. On the flip side, if you decline by 1% daily, you lose almost everything. This small shift, barely noticeable at first, determines whether you're on a path to greatness or mediocrity. Part 2. Applying it to your life. 1. Health and fitness. Let's say you want to get in shape. You don't need a hardcore gym routine on day 1. Just start with 5 push-ups. Tomorrow, do 6. Walk an extra 5 minutes. Eat 1 healthier meal. Small, consistent changes will transform your health faster than any extreme, unsustainable approach. 2. Productivity and career growth. Want to be more productive? Start with just 5 minutes of deep work without distractions. Read 1 page of a book. Learn 1 new skill daily. These micro improvements stacked over time make you stand out in any industry. Think about it. If you learn just 1 new business insight every day, in a year, you'll have gained 365 competitive advantages. 3. Financial success. Saving money works the same way. Skipping 1 $5 coffee may seem insignificant today, but saving and investing small amounts daily compounds into real wealth over years. The difference between financial stress and financial freedom is often just better daily decisions. Part 3. The psychology behind it. Why does this method work? Because our brains resist big, overwhelming changes. But 1% improvements feel easy, achievable. They build momentum. And once you see progress, you stay motivated. Most people fail because they go all in for a week, then burn out. But 1% daily growth is sustainable for life. Part 4. How to start today. 1. Identify 1 area to improve. Pick 1 thing. Health, career, mindset, just 1. Decide on the tiniest possible improvement you can make today. 2. Track progress. Write it down. Even a small checkbox keeps you accountable. Seeing progress builds momentum. 3. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Success isn't built in a day, it's built daily. Tiny, consistent actions shape your future. Whether you realize it or not, you're improving or declining every day. Choose growth. Choose progress. Start your 1% today.